YouTube? Today is Saturday, October 3rd, and we are going to be riding out to Rustburg, Virginia, and we're going to the Driver Motorsports meet. They're having an open house and a dyno day. So we're gonna drive out here. It's about a 2.5, 3 hour drive, and we're gonna check it out. You know, hopefully some nice things out there, and we may hop on the dyno today. See you guys soon. About to throw this thing on the dyno. We're gonna see what it makes. Everybody's dyno is a little bit different, so we're gonna see what it puts down today. there's an extinguisher in the passenger seat. Pull the tab. Go. Shit. Come on, motherfucker. Did he get it out?
I think he did. Just check and see. I'll keep going for it.
Well, no, to be honest with you, it was perfectly fine. Like, we were just talking about power. Damn. Only bad thing is, I live 3 hours from here. But
Hope the head is okay.
that's what I mean. I hope that one, because the replacement I have for it is a VVTi one.
Yeah.
I can't take these cams out and put it in that, you know?
You have to get a whole new setup. They got a video on it.
So, as you guys can see in that video, looks like the main cap let loose or bent the rod or something, but she pushed wrist pin out, so we gotta tear it apart, see how she looks, and I guess we'll come back stronger. Who knows? But we shouldn't be down too long. Got 2 spare engines at the house. Knock that out, see if we can go to built block or not. But I'm in Lynchburg right now, gotta get 3 hours home, and we'll see what it can do. So once he stalls right here in this video, you can hear the motor not running quite right. He gets it to a point to where it's almost stalls and shuts off, and it sounds like the ECU either lost a tune or it's running on low voltage to where the ECU doesn't want to run the car how it's supposed to be ran. Then right here, you can hear the car is struggling under load. It's like, you know, it doesn't want to be ran hard, or it's not getting enough fuel. Something's off, and I can tell it's off personally, but it all happened so fast in person to where I couldn't even react to tell the guy to turn the car off. I mean, I'm not condemning him or anything like that, but I mean, you guys can see the video, you can hear the video. I'm not placing any blame. I'm not asking the driver for any money. You know, it's my fault for it. You know, I signed the waiver. You know, I got to take the licks. I'm also pretty sure the driver is going to drop a video pretty soon. They also were recording when this happened, so I'm pretty sure they've got the same footage that I've got from a different angle. I'm also going to upload the video that Instagram friend sent me. He recorded it as well. It's also on my Instagram from a little bit of a distance away. You can hear it, you know, it shut down on the low, like when the blow-off valve was fluttering. It just sounded off, sounded odd. Wish I would have told him to shut it down, but hindsight's always 20/20. We're gonna get the car apart, take the motor trans out and stuff like that. I'm trying to find suitors right now to build the motor and looking for some parts and stuff like that. So if anybody has any leads on anything, you know, we may go with a larger turbo. You know, I don't want to spend a ton of money right now. This wasn't in the plans to do anything soon like this. So if you guys come across anything, just shoot me an email or hit me up on Instagram, Kitabee757. That's KITAB757.